How to log in to Lyft app. If you have been using the Lyft application and you have recently logged out from it and now wondering on how to log in back, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application, just like this. After that, tap on to get started. Just right here, tap on it. Now, to log in, simply use the login number that you have used before, or if you have simply logged in using your Apple ID, simply tap on to continue with Apple. Now to log in, simply tap on to phone number and add the old phone number that you have used to log in before. Just like this, and tap on to continue. Now you will simply get the code, simply add it and tap on to next. And now you can see you have simply logged in back. And that's it. This is how you can log in to Lyft app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.